To get what you give, and I'm the one who loses. But we could be together forever. We could be together.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video vlog, day 1. No, it's actually day 2.
No.
Oh no!
This is how.
Yo, what's up, guys? ChristopherJMays back at it again with another video.
What's your intro?
So, what I did. Hey guys, what's going on here? It's Ryan and Will.
So Pierce is driving. And
You did?
Pierce, how old are you?
Go talk to him. Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to the beach right now. Which beach? I forgot.
The beach over there.
The beach over there. That's the best way to explain it. You're driving so slow, Pierce.
Pierce.
It's a grandma. Get your. No swerving.
Get that. This is important.
It's important.
Whoa.
It's ice. Where you playing,
Your
Ryan?
boot is soaking wet. Oh yeah, I'm playing a solid Quattro Royale. I'm a level 10. Subscribe to my gaming channel at what's my gaming channel? The only video you ever liked was Ryan's first video. His Minecraft video.
Treasure Wars.
Pretty epic. I don't understand what's happening, but it's okay.
Yeah. Alright, so yo, Pierce just ran into the sidewalk.
Okay, I'm gonna comfort Ryan.
Alright, that's a strong turn. You have to protect Ryan because he has no seatbelt on. He has no protection.
Pierce, please, don't go above 10 miles per hour. Over there.
Let's
Go straight. Let's go straight. Thank you, Dad.
Look, it's a parking space.
I've been here before. Oh my gosh.
This is where I fell off the dog.
Yes, this is it. Oh my gosh. Did it, guys. We survived the car ride with Pierce driving.
Not yet, he's better. Oh.
He's got blocked. That guy.
So for you who don't know, we are in the Keys right now. And the last time Pierce, Alexis, Ryan, and I have been together here was like 6 years ago. What are you doing? What's your favorite video game, Ryan?
Clash Royale. Clash Royale.
Pierce, what's your favorite video game?
Marvel Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.
It's not even a video game,
That's a
it's a
TV
show.
Yeah, I know there's a game called that.
Retarded. I know how to spit.
Dude, no, it's not, no.
What's your favorite video game, Pierce?
Probably. Oh. Disney Universe. That was the best game.
What's your favorite video game?
Minecraft.
See, I don't have a favorite video game.
Yes, you do. We all know it.
It's not Minecraft.
Heyday.
No.
Is it Clash Royale? Clash of Clans?
I don't play that.
He does.
Do you even play games? Because you have no storage?
Yeah, I have no storage on my phone.
I have no storage because I play too many games.
I would only play on my Xbox or whatever.
Oh my god. Halo.
Yes! Yeah.
Start thinking about it.
You have to enjoy it. You have to enjoy it. This. Not that.
Yeah. Blam. Ain't got a chance with me.
You just lost. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I get lettuce and tomato with my
Philly cheesesteak.
One coleslaw. So we're playing hide and seek in the dark, right?
Yeah.
Pierce. Pierce is trying to disconnect the TV. He has tried everything.
Oh, this one cable. All the cables are unplugged. Turn out of the wall.
Just break the TV.
Oh yeah, I see the source. I see the source.
Oh, that's a bed.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh dang, it's dark. I have to turn the flash. It's gonna go in the bathroom and make farting noises.
what you give and I'm the one who loses. But we could be together forever. We could be